Good afternoon, this is Christy from Van Ahn Company. It's Friday, April 28th. I'm going to go over the markets for the day and the week. So closing trade of April for grain markets will come in here Monday. It's going to be May 1st. So closed off the month on a little bit of a mixed tone. So grain markets just can't get going with this friendly forecast, still dealing with the burdensome supply that we have on hand. So overall, corn down 3 3/4 on the day. Overall in the week, up 1. So you started off the week with some early success coming off these weather forecasts. Midweek had the NAFTA news and really just been struggling ever since that. So still positive on the week, but really just struggling here today. Beans were down 1 3/4 on the day, down 5 3/4 on the week. So a little bit of pressure there. That forecast is not friendly towards beans. If we do see wet and cool temperatures, it will push more acres towards beans where they're already looking like they're going to have quite a bit. Wheat was the winner of the week here as far as grain goes, finding support on that forecast. Chicago wheat up a penny on the day, up 13.5 on the week. Same situation in a Minneapolis week, up 13.5. North Dakota is supposed to get some precip out of this. Minnesota is supposed to get some snow, maybe some late planting here into spring wheat, maybe a shift of that. We'll have to see how that forecast comes in next week. Overall, meat markets, huge movers this week. So cash trade was on fire this week, really had those futures market chasing after it. NAFTA actually gave some support to the market as well. Lower corn helps feeder cattle, live cattle up $2.50 on the day, up $8.20 on the week. Feeder cattle up anywhere from $3 to $4 today. They did have expanded limits. They were up $11 on the week. Lean hogs up 7.5 cents on the day, up just shy of $4 on the week. So overall, meat markets really found some strength here into this week. We're going to have to come into next week, see if that cash trade stands well. Futures still at a discount to cash trade, so you should see that support remain. Outside markets, really limited action entire week. Dow did have some support, closing up over 300 points on the week. So you had that strength, but overall, crude market didn't move a lot. US dollar didn't move a lot either. So moving forward, what we're going to be watching, definitely weather forecast. So you're going to come in Sunday night into Monday morning trade, see how much rain moved from this huge system that's moving through the entire Corn Belt here this weekend, see how many rain totals we have, and then also that 8 to 14 day forecast does look like you dry down a little bit. Looks like some warmer temperatures could be moving through, and if that translates into the 6 to 10, you might have people taking a more bearish stance. So we'll be seeing that come Sunday night into Monday morning. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great weekend.